Does the tomato sauce you cook at home taste kind of boring and you always wonder how your favorite Italian place gets theirs to be so creamy and rich? Well, then you're in luck, because today I'll show you how they do it. So let's start. The secret to making a sauce incredibly rich is to cook it and enhance it with some more beautiful ingredients and some fat. To do this, we need 2 cloves of garlic, 1 medium-sized onion cut in half, and of course some tomatoes. You can use all sorts of fresh tomatoes or some high quality canned ones, which I would honestly recommend. This makes the recipe just a little easier. I will go with these canned tomatoes today. Now let's heat a pot over medium-low heat and put in all of our ingredients, followed by a generous knob of butter. Give this a quick mix and then put a lid on top. And yes, of course, you could swap butter for some extra virgin olive oil or use both, but for me personally, butter is the way to go. I think it gives a lot more creaminess to the sauce, which is why I prefer it. And now we're going to let this sauce simmer for about 30 to 45 minutes. Also, one quick tip, guys, this sauce freezes really well, so if you want to make a bigger batch, go for it. I love to eat this sauce simply with some noodles, which is exactly what I'll do today. But it's also great for lasagna or any other dish that needs a wonderful tomato sauce. Okay, so I personally really like to finish my sauces with the ingredients that are already in the sauce, like the onion and garlic, so I'm going to do that right now. After about 30 minutes, the onion and garlic in the tomato sauce have become incredibly delicious and sweet. So I chopped them up finely and fried them in some extra virgin olive oil. Oh, the noodles were nearly done, so I quickly saved some pasta water before draining them. Next, I added our sauce to the pan together with a little pasta water, followed by the noodles. After that, we're going to season our dish with some salt and pepper, and if you want, you can of course add some herbs like oregano and basil. Maybe a little extra sauce for me. Now stir the noodles around and wait a minute or so until they are fully cooked. Now that that's done, transfer them to a warm plate and grate some Parmesan cheese on top to finish it. And this is how easy it is to take your tomato sauce to the next level. This is great.